Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of my Robinhood brokerage account. Balance on the account is $1,240.17. Let's look at the performance this past week. Overall, it was down 2.17% or $27.54. I think we all saw that the stock market essentially crashed. So I lost money like everyone else. The 1 month return on it is 6.22%. 3 month is 6.89%. Year to date is 6.90. The 1 year is the same. And then all is 6.90 or $80.02. So I've had this account for about 3 weeks. So I'm just taking it slow. This is my fun money account. This is my risky account where I am doing crypto and individual stock trading. You might notice that I didn't say options because I'm putting the options on hold for now and really just trying to get my foot in with the crypto and individual stock. But options will happen. It just might not happen until later in 2025. All right, so because of just the crash last week, all of my positions are, for the most part, like down and in the negative. All right, where do I start? So this past week, I did a major sell-off. So I had about 17 stocks originally. Let me just show you. I had 17 stocks originally. You see here, now I'm down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks. And I'll talk more about the 2 new stocks that I added. So I did a major sell-off. I'll show you. I'll go to my history. And you'll just see here that I sold like everything. I sold, here I am selling MicroStrategy. I sold my position in Hut 8 Corp. Let's see, what else did I sell? I sold my position in Palo Alto Networks. I sold my position in SoFi Technologies. Yes, guys, I went kind of just out there with the selling. I sold all my position in Palantir Technologies, sold my position in Dutch Bros, sold my position in Coinbase, sold my position in Tesla and Nvidia and Microsoft and Amazon and Google or Alphabet class. What else did I sell? I sold Apple. I sold the Meta platforms. Yes, so that's everything I sold. So I sold a lot, as you can see here. And if you're wondering what happened, why did you sell out of all these positions? Honestly, a lot of my investment account is already invested in a lot of tech, if that makes sense. So the Googles, the Amazon, the Meta, the Tesla, because the overwhelming majority of my investments are in the S&P 500 in my other investment accounts. I just felt like to have it in here too was just really redundant. And this, again, want to be more fun, more speculative, just investing in stocks and companies that I probably would never get exposure to. I would never get exposure to invest in like a S&P 500. So I just got rid of all of it. It's totally fine. Again, this is just fun and for me to see if I can hit it rich quick. So, all right. So told you about that sell-off. Now let's talk about the 2 new additions to the portfolio. So I was looking at like the highest movers in the market for the day, and I saw this stock pop up. They're quantum compounding stocks. So the first is QUBT. And I jumped in on it because when I was looking at the returns, I was just like, wait, is that real? So look at the 1 month return. It's 255%. 3 months is like, look at 3 months. It's like 2,382. Year to date is 1,000. Like, it's just ridiculous returns. And then like the max, well, the max is negative, but I don't know if they went public or what was happening here. But if you look at the 5 years, like 474. Anyway, so I'm like, wow, if I can hang on to this stock for a year or two, whoa, is it possible for me to get these type of return? But who knows? So I jumped into it. I did jump into it at like its all-time high. So my investment essentially plummeted. So let me show you what I put into it first. So I put in on December 18th, I put in $100, as you can see here, and I got 4.32 shares. And then on December 19th, the next day, I put in $30 and got 2.08 shares. So you see, I put in $130. And drum roll, my balance is in the negative. I'm actually at $110.44 in value. So I'm down 15.04% or $19.56. So yes, it's because I got in really high. So you see here the average cost that I got in was $20.27. You see it's valued at $17.22 right now, but I'm really hoping that the price will just skyrocket, over the next year or two. So I plan to hold it for a little bit just to kind of see how it performs. But this is where I am right now, and I'm hoping that I could potentially get into the positive in terms of total return by the end of this month. But this is what I'm looking to do in the Robinhood account, more like speculative, like really risky investing. So don't do what I did, because clearly I'm in the negatives right now on it. But I'm like, I don't know if I can get anywhere close to what they did. Even if I get half of this, even if I just get 200% return, I would be very happy with my investment in this. And then the other one that I got in the quantum space is QBTS, which is D-Wave Quantum. So if you see the 1 month return is 267%, 3 month is 633% or 36%, year to date is 686%. These are just bonkers returns, 597 and 09% return. So okay, let's look at what I did. So I did it on the same day, on December 18th. I put in $100 and I got 11.21 shares. And then on the 19th, the next day, I put in $20 and I got 3.18 share. But if you look at my actual return, you see here I'm down 16.98% or $20.38, because again, I went in high. My average cost was $8.34, but it's now at $6.92. So similar to QBUT, I'm hoping that this will go into the green by the end of the year because of just how ridiculous these returns are. So those are my two new additions. Again, very speculative. I didn't do any research on these companies or anything like that. I just jumped in head first, and that's where I am right now. So again, I just wanted to like kind of rebalance things a bit in this portfolio, just so I'm staying true to what the purpose is. But just really quickly on crypto has not been doing good. I am like down in every single position of my crypto. Actually, let me go to the crypto tab. You see here, crypto, I'm down 2.84% or $11.98 on the day. And then all in, overall, I'm down 6.76% or $29.74. So crypto has not been doing good. Look at Shiba. I am down 21.26%. So hoping crypto also like bounce back in 2025. I think it will, but who knows? All right, so that is all of the updates for this week. Again, did a major sell-off because most of those companies already hold in like a S&P 500. I'm already invested in them. I don't want to do that in this Robinhood fund account. And then I added 2 new stocks to the portfolio, QUBT and QBTS. So stay around. We'll see how these stocks perform. Who knows? Maybe they'll make me rich. Probably not, but that's what makes this account fun, right? We're just trying out different things and seeing what happens. All right. I will catch you next time. Bye.